Welcome to another smart helmet accessory video from the Helmet Shop. My name is Matt, and today we will be featuring the DKS-301 Anti-fog insert for the X14, the RF1200, and the RFSR helmets using a CWR1 shield. The DKS-301 insert can be installed by aligning the notches on the insert to the pins on the inside of the shield. Be sure your shield is clean and free of fingerprints. Hold the insert by the edges, and locate the notch at one end of the insert. Align it with the pin on the inside of the shield and push it into place. Bow the shield out by pressing down on the end so you can align the other notch on the opposite side with the other pin. Press down along the edges of the insert until the insert lays flat on the shield. Peel off the yellow protective film before use. The DKS-301 insert is designed to capture a pocket of air between the shield and the insert to reduce the chances of fogging. Make sure when installing the insert to lay down a soft non-abrasive surface to protect your shield from scratching. Avoid getting fingerprints between the insert and the shield. Only use warm, soapy water and a microfiber cleaning cloth when caring for your shields. Tinted shields are not for riding in low light or adverse weather conditions. Contact the Helmet Shop if you have questions about the DKS-301 insert. Thank you and have a great day.